Today we will be testing the long-tailed candle indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the long-tailed candle indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 596 indicators, with 246 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the long tail candle indicator. And as the name implies, this indicator shows us when we get candles with long tails. And so if I zoom in here, you can see that similar to, I think, the indicator on the last one that we tested, we have these hammers and these little, I think it's a bomb if I'm not mistaken, but we have green arrows pointing up, red arrows pointing down. Now this is a tad bit different than the way we tested the last indicator like this, in that again you can see that these tags here, the indicator is showing us candles that have a long tail, a specifically long tail. So if the wick on it is beyond a certain amount of the body, then it displays as a long-tailed candle. Now that is typically a sign of rejection of that particular area of price. And so I'm not going to go too in detailed with long-tailed candles. It's not really a tutorial on candlesticks, but basically when we get a long tail, that means that price went up and was rejected either down or rejected to the upside. And so then to add another extra little layer to this indicator, it has this oscillating line running through it, green and red oscillating line. And so what we are looking for is when we get candles kind of confirming the direction that the oscillating line already has us going in. And so for example, when price action is above the oscillating line, then what we're looking for is wicks, long wicks to the downside, which shows that there was a rejection, price pushed down, it rejected, was shoved back up with hopefully some momentum to take it up even farther. And then on the reverse side, when price action is below the oscillating line, what we are looking for are the long tails to the upside, so the hammers. And that means that price tried to go up but was overtaken by the sellers and was pushed back down again, hopefully with some momentum to carry it down a good ways, getting us some decent profit. So I hope all that made sense. So when price action is above the oscillating line, we are looking for the little bomb symbol with the arrow below, pointing up, the green arrow. And when we are below price action, we are looking for the hammer, red arrow pointing down, and that's going to be a short. So all right, let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we pick up here is a short signal. So price action is below this oscillating line here. We get a hammer with a red arrow pointing down, which means that we are going for a short right there. Long-term trend is in a short, and short-term trend or the candle is showing that we should be going short. Then we get a nice push to the downside and we were able to get to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the second signal that we picked up was also a short signal. Again, we're below that oscillating line. We get the hammer and the red arrow pointing downward. We get a nice little push to the downside on the very next candle. That does come down and get us to take profit on that one as well. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus there. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. I definitely wish this gave us more trades within 1 year's time, but all in all, I like this indicator. I like this indicator really for one simple fact, and that is that it is playing off of price action. It's playing off of kind of some tried and tested true methods of reading price action, and so that can be extremely beneficial especially if it's able to do that on a lower time frame. And so maybe not even necessarily for the purposes of exactly how it was used, but just as an extra measure to have on screen with an already existing trading system or something along those lines, could prove to be very useful in just kind of identifying those areas where price is being rejected, either to the upside or the downside, or whatever way. And so yeah, all in all, like I said, I like this indicator. I like that it did a really decent job of giving pretty good signals. All of using it as a standalone, though, not 100% sure how well that would work. But yeah, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.